We are the Workforce Planning Board of Grand Erie. Our job is to provide a leadership role in workforce development through Brantford, Brant, Haldeman, Norfolk, Six Nations, and New Credit. Our work includes labor market research and planning, information gathering and analysis. We identify employment trends, creating strategies to address needs, and assisting employers with human resource planning. We partner with over 150 businesses and organizations to find solutions to local workforce development needs. Working with representatives of labor, business, education, and equity groups, we build strong collaborative relationships between organizations and businesses in our region. We develop community programming for those re-entering the workforce, helping prepare people seeking employment and connecting them with job information and resources. We work with employers and community partners to engage the next generation, opening their minds to career possibilities in apprenticeships and skilled trades. Through Manufacturing Month and Epic Jobs, we help youth see the vast local labor market and understand the opportunities at their doorstep. A skilled and resilient workforce makes our community and economy stronger. This is what drives us each day.